We're only doing one, unless you want to do two. Unless you want to do them both again. But you already got this foot on this paper.
What foot?
Remember the foot with the toe on the inside? Toe right there, and the feet, the big toe right there. What foot is that?
I'm gonna do these foots.
You want to do both again?
Yeah.
Or you want to put the other one on there again?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do this. Okay.
Okay. What did you say? Let's do this. Let's close this. We have a little bit better. So let's close this so we have better light.
Why?
For the camera. For the
Why do
clip.
we need to close that?
So there's better light. For the camera to be able to see you.
Because the dogs don't want to see us?
Yeah, exactly.
Why does the dog don't want to see us?
I don't know.
Leave this open.
No! Keep it closed. Okay, sit back down. Okay. We're gonna do it in pink. Is that what we're doing? Is there even a booger in there?
No.
So why are you picking your nose? This foot?
Pink. The pink inside there?
Yep. Ooh,
What?
I got a big drip on my hand. I saved a big mess.
What? Can see my toes. Ooh. Yuppie. It looks like purple.
Well, it does look kind of purple because there's a little bit of blue on the brush. Purple, pink and blue.
Tickles. This for two.
Does that foot tickle but more than this foot?
Hi foot. Hi hand. Hi hand. Hi foot.
You're such a cute
Hi foot. Hi hand. Hi foot. Hi hand. Hi
Will
foot.
you hold still, please?
Huh?
Hold still. I can't get it.
Why?
Because you're moving around. You're a little monkey. That sounds like a monkey. Sounds like something. I don't know what it is. Okay. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. I gotta get the paper. Okay. Let me wipe my foot off. Pick this up. Alright. Step it. Where do you want to step it? Right there. Push your toes. And up. Push your toe. Whoa. Okay. I'll put one more. Ouch! I just stepped on the lid. Ooh, that looks cool. 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 What? What? Just because you have paint on it? How'd you get paint all over that foot? Oh, okay. I gotta rinse this off. And we're stopping the video.
What?